Here I have CAT S31 and let me show you how to enable and how to use the mobile hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to tap the apps icon right here, then let's find and select the settings. From the settings list, you have to find and choose the first tab, which is wireless and networks. Here choose more and select tethering and portable hotspot. As you can see, you can choose here the portable Wi-Fi hotspot and you can enable this by using this switcher. Right now tap OK and the device is switching on the portable hotspot. Now you can use it, or you can also set up the Wi-Fi hotspot by choosing the setup settings right here, and you can here change the network name, change the security type and also the password. Right now you are using the following one. So if everything is alright, let's choose cancel, and if you would like to disable this portable Wi-Fi hotspot, let's just use this switcher right here and let's go back. So basically that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.